everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moonwillow Beauty. And today I'm doing the long-awaited and long-anticipated Ultimate Ulta Birthday Haul. So if you want to see what was gifted to me and what I ordered for myself for my birthday, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I have is this. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is the sample size primer water and it retails for $20 Canadian. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've used this product a lot already. It is cool and refreshing. I can't open it without wanting to use it. The scent is nice and light. It can be used as a primer before foundation, as a setting spray, or just as a refreshing spray on bare skin. And it has a cute little tip right here that says if you put it in your fridge and keep it cool, it definitely can wake you up and refresh your skin. I think I will for sure be trying to get my hands on a full size of this because I've been really enjoying it. The next thing I have is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which I have tried. I obviously haven't opened this one to try it out yet, but as soon as I do, I will let you know if I think it is a dupe or if I even like it or not. This next product was gifted to me by my mom. And I also forgot to add the first product, the Smashbox Primer Water, was also gifted to me by my mom. So this is the Dermalogica Power Cleanse Duo. This is a travel size set of their pre-cleanse and their daily microfoliant. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you would know that I love Dermalogica. They are my favorite skincare brand. I am very loyal because I actually did training at the International Dermal Institute in Vancouver with Dermalogica when I was in school to become an esthetician. And as well, my instructor for my aesthetics course was also a longtime employee of Dermalogica, so that's what we used in our training and I still stick by it to this day. So I'll open it up and show you what they look like. This is the Daily Microfoliant, and this has been one of my favorite products for probably about 8 years now. I really love this product and I would recommend it to anybody who has any sort of skin type. It works well. It brightens your skin. It is made with rice mineral and it just really illuminates your skin, clears out your any problem areas, and is safe to use every day. It's soft and gentle, and yeah, and this is the pre-cleanse. This is an oil-based product and it is to remove any sort of residue, makeup, anything off your face before you go on to your cleansing and your masks, etc. Obviously, if you have a full skincare routine, that could come. The next product that I have is the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and this is a demi-matte finish. It wears up to 24 hours, even though I definitely would not recommend that. Always wash your makeup off before you go to bed. It has a medium coverage and is an airy texture. So I got the shade 101 Classic Ivory. I am Classic Ivory in pretty much every foundation. I haven't tried this yet. I'm actually worried it may be a little bit too light for me, but I will let you guys know. I love matte foundation, so I hope that this one really works out. Next product I have is this It is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and Contour. I have the shade C1, and this I saw was supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I first saw this concealer on Alyssa Ashley's channel, and as you know, if you watch her, she is a woman of color, and she first reviewed this concealer right around the time that the Tarte Shape Tape foundation came out. She was very disappointed, as she has every right to be. What they did was not right, and so she has decided to boycott Tarte Shape Tape concealer and anything Tarte until they get their act together, or like, I don't know, maybe even forever. She was the first to name this as a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. My good friend Becky also uses this concealer and she raves about it. So I haven't tried it yet, but as soon as I do, I'll probably show it in a video. In fact, let me know in the comments down below if you want a full face routine video, and I can try this one out in that video. The next product that I have is the E.L.F. HD setting powder, and this is a translucent powder. I have been using this powder for probably at least a good 2 or 3 years, if not more. This is a really nice powder. It is just really finely milled, super soft and lightweight, and E.L.F. is very, very affordable. I think this cost me like less than $8, and you get 8 grams of product in here. The great thing about this setting powder is you can use it to bake under your eyes or other parts of your face, and it does not cause flashback in photo photography. The next 2 items kind of go together, so we're going to lump them into one, and that is the NYX glitter primer, and I also got the NYX face and body glitter in the rose gold color, and this is what that looks like. I have used this and I have posted pictures using this on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there already, please look in the description box down below and find my handle and go follow me on Instagram. I've also just recently made a Twitter. I'll leave all my socials down below. I think this glitter is really, really beautiful. I've heard great things about NYX glitter, and that's why I chose that one to try first. The glitter primer works excellently without any mess. And it's super easy to remove. So if you want to play with glitter, I would 100% recommend the NYX items that I have here. These were the first glitter items that I purchased, and I definitely am very happy with it. So yes, make sure you pick these up if you want to play with. I've lost the box for the next item because I've actually used this one a few times. I actually used it today, and this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It looks like this. You get your pencil, wind up pencil on one side. Ooh, and it is a very, very fine tip. This I got because it was recommended to me as a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. You get a spoolie on the other side there, and this is like a third of the price of the Brow Wiz, and it definitely works pretty well. This formula is a little bit more waxy, but that's not always an issue. I got the shade Universal Taupe, and I think it works really well. I would definitely recommend this one if you are on a budget, the Brow Wiz is beautiful, and I will hopefully get a full size of that at some point in the near future. But for now, I am working with this micro brow pencil, and I think so far that it works pretty good. I like how my brows look. The next item I actually picked up at Walmart when I was there, but I've included it in the box because it is new to me and I did purchase it for myself for my birthday, and that is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this shade is Blossom Glow. I have used these highlighting powders before. I have the shade Precious Petals, and this is the highlight that I have on my face today, and I think it's really, really beautiful, but I think it would only be good for really light skin tones. So if you have a deeper skin tone, I would recommend Precious Petals, because that one is a bit more of a darker toned pinky highlight. But to me, I think they're all beautiful, and you can wear whatever highlight you want, no matter who. You can just do whatever you want. That's the fun about makeup. That's why I enjoy it so much. So yeah, I think this one is really, really gorgeous, and it was like less than $5. So I mean, for a highlighter that's less than $5, you can't really go wrong, especially when it works as well as it does and it's not tested on animals. So de resistance is this, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I asked a bunch of people if they recommended this palette before I decided to add it to my cart. This cost me almost $50 Canadian, which for what you get, I don't think it's a bad price. You get 35 shades in here, and don't mind mine because it's actually already a little bit dirty. This is what it looks like on the front. It has the shade names on the back. I've obviously used this because you guys saw it in my previous video. If you haven't watched that one yet, I will link it down below. We played Palette Bingo, and it was a collaboration with Variety Ellie, so make sure you watch that one too. This is what it looks like on the inside. The shades are stunning. I'm just going to swatch a few on my arm for you, some of my favorite ones. Sorry about those swatches. I swatched Pool Party, Twerk, Cran Apple, and the last one was Sissy. And like I said, these shades work beautifully. They blend easily. They're highly, highly pigmented. And definitely, I know everybody raves about this palette, but there's a good reason why they do. This palette is beautiful. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill did an amazing job creating this, and if you don't own it already, I would 100% recommend it. If it's the only palette that you can afford to own it, because it's so worth it. I used some of these shades on my eyes today. My makeup is a little bit kind of falling apart now because I've been wearing it all day, but they last forever. They're super blendable, pigmented, like I said, and I'm just overall really impressed with this palette. And I don't usually repurchase palettes, but honestly, if this is still an item once this one is no good anymore, I probably maybe consider. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. I thank you all so much for your patience. Well, my children were sick. I'm back now. Everybody's doing much better, so thank you all for your well wishes. If you haven't already, don't forget to follow the link in the description down below to watch my 500 subscriber giveaway announcement and enter my giveaway. All you have to do is click the link to the Gleam and follow the steps from there. Please make sure that even if you are already subscribed to me, confirm with Gleam that you have already subscribed, because if you don't, your entry won't be valid. And I've noticed a couple people not verifying that they are subscribed. So I don't want you guys to miss out on your chance by just forgetting to do that or not thinking that you need to because you are already subscribed. You must verify it, okay? So, thank you all so much again for watching this video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!